Hi everyone, I want to welcome you all to this week's weekly review. So we've had a great week. It's been a remarkable one. For those of you who followed the signals and all the updates on the various group, the VIP and on the free channel, you agree with me that we indeed had a profitable week. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing, looking at what we did and what we didn't do, to share a few with you so that you also can review what you did also on probably what you didn't do. And this is for us to have a better improvement towards the coming week. So you will see the improvement during the weekly analysis and in the live weekly trading Monday GMT at 1 p.m. GMT +1. So I'm going to take you straight to the chart now and show you a few things. Let's go. The GU, of course, is our champion pair. Just after analyzing the dollar index, I usually will tell you that the GU is directly proportional to it. So whatever I predict the dollar index to give, GU does the otherwise. So here is where the market opened. So this is Monday and this is Tuesday. So the first entry I took was in the 1 minute time frame. Now I don't think I was able to post the entry. It was quite fast. Trying to remember if I posted it. Let me see if I can get it back. Okay, I think this was it. Okay, so I was expecting it to return to this point before dropping, but it didn't get to that point. I think I didn't take that entry. So this was the one I took, and I took this entry in the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so the moment I got my confirmation, I took this entry and I began to ask you all to exit if you're not ready to hold to smash this TP. And we made good profit on that. We were able to activate quickly a sharp 34 pips, risking just about 11 pips. That was a pretty 3RR. And then we activated this, but I was not online when it triggered, so that's why I didn't post that. And then we have GJ. I think GJ was going to give us a major milestone because we caught 114 pips entry, and that was the biggest. So there's this entry we caught at the 1 minute time frame. So this was the first entry, we missed it, and then this was the one we took, and we took it in the 1 minute time frame. So it was a massive sniper move. You might not see it so in the other higher time frames, but I'm used to such entries, so when I saw it, I recognized it. I knew what it was and I took advantage of it. The few people I spoke to about it, my inner circle, my friends, I told them, this is it, sniper, it's going. And the ones that could catch it, caught it. So this was what we were risking. We were risking just 22 pips, and we were going for 123 pips. 123 pips. So we caught a pretty let's say 5R. Okay, and that was very good and very decent. So from the 15-minute time frame, we caught the next one. So after this one, we caught this one, and it was just a signal that I should just close my trade for the week, because the 5RR already give you much profit, and then when you add it to this 2R, you just know that there's huge profit. So in this one, I was risking just about 20 pips. I didn't risk 24, but 20 pips, and I was targeting just about 40 pips. So that was pretty 2R. And then the final one, this was the one I got very upset with myself when I saw that I missed it. I was waiting for the confirmation. This was supposed to be somewhere around here, Now this was not the entry, this was where I placed this waiting for my confirmation. So the sniper was supposed to come in from here, so it's coming from here. So all I needed was to get my confirmation as usual, and that is, I think this should be my confirmation if I'm right. Okay, and this was what I was supposed to catch and I missed it. And the painful part is this was gonna give us, let's see, it's getting 23 pips to catch a pretty 103. This 4R. So that's pretty what we did with GU and GJ, and for the rest we didn't really catch an entry. Okay, I think we caught silver. Let's look at silver. So silver, okay, so here is silver, and okay, I took silver entry in the 1 minute time frame, and let me just take you there and show you quickly. I got my confirmation and I took it. So basically, so far what I didn't do, which I should repeat next week, that I should do, is to stay active, not to miss some of the entries that I anticipated. So this was silver, I anticipated. Okay, I took it from the 5 minutes time frame. So I was anticipating that silver was going to crash, but my eyes were on this. Can you see? On this. So I thought, okay, fine, if it doesn't give a rejection, I'll hold it here. But when I saw the rejection, I exited and I told the community to exit. That was the only entry we took on silver, and there's pretty no any other entries we took again in the course of the week, right? Yeah, there's no entry. Yeah, so that's all for we took on the Forex, and that's beautiful silver entry. So quickly, let's look at the synthetic. So I took one synthetic entry. Now I don't know why I took that entry. I shouldn't have taken that entry. For a very long time now, I've not hit stop loss, and that's because of my precision, my accuracy, and my confirmation in entries. So when I saw myself taking stop loss on GJ, I was not happy, because even when I was trying to speed that entry, I had a red flag in my mind that this entry doesn't look it. So I just felt, okay, let me just take it. And my eyes was on this imbalance, but I was not getting the confirmation, so I'm still wondering why I took it. My apologies for taking that stop loss. I promise this week we will not repeat such again. So this was it. At this point we begin to think that the big boys have retraced fully and may give us the sniper entry, not saying that the liquidity on this point was too strong to pull price down, and that's where I foolishly moved in. So I have my confirmation, but confirmation on a supply zone. I always tell you, do not sell, do not buy at supply zone, do not sell at demand zone. So that was my mistake, and that's what I did that I shouldn't do, and I will not be repeating it in the coming week. So pretty sure you've seen the few mistakes, and we're up this week. Last week we were up 3%, this week we're up 7%, right? Oh, no, sorry, 6%. So this week is better than last week, and I hope that the coming week will be better than. I hope with this video you've been able to see basically what we did, what we didn't do, and you've been able to see a few adjustments which has been made, okay, for the coming week. This new week we should make more, okay? Let's not take chances, let's not miss opportunities, let's maximize all opportunities. So far February has been good, it's been more profitable than January first week and second week, and I'm hoping that this week we should be able to turn over our profit and make even more, so that by the end of January, by the end of February, we would have made what we made times 2 in January. Stay tuned, expect the weekly analysis, get ready, study, backtest, and watch out for what I have for the coming week. See you soon.